Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds f and h. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the f sound in the word fate, fate, fate. Now the h sound in the word hate, hate, hate. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I hate my fate. I hate my fate. I hate my fate. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!